Although routine maintenance on your vehicle isn't as easy as it used to be, there are still several simple checks you can do at home without any experience needed. Start by identifying your dipstick handle. Remove the dipstick and wipe it clean with a shop towel. At the tip of the dipstick is your oil level indicator with L for low and H for high or full. To determine your oil level, reinsert the dipstick back into a cool engine, remove it, and check the indicator to make a reading. If it's low, you may need to add some oil or head into the shop for an oil change. Oil viscosity differs from vehicle to vehicle, so it's important to check your owner's manual to determine the kind your car or truck needs. You can also ask one of our automotive associates for help, making it super easy to learn the right oil viscosity for your vehicle and grab a quart right in the store. Vehicle air filters keep out road dust and debris, improve fuel efficiency, and prolong the life of your engine. To find your air filter, look for what is called an air box. To inspect your filter, simply remove the top of the air box, then check it for damage or dust buildup. You can clean your filter by vacuuming it, or if it's time to replace every 10,000 miles or so, you can pick up a new air filter in our automotive department. Make sure your air filter is fully seated before reinstalling the top of the airbox by running your finger along the edge to ensure a snug fit. Another great tip is to keep an up-to-date vehicle maintenance form. This helpful tool is used to track your car or truck's maintenance schedule. By having a vehicle maintenance form for each of your vehicles, you won't need to try and remember when they're due for maintenance. The form keeps track for you. Now you can do these maintenance basics at home and on your own. And for routine maintenance outside your comfort zone, our service center is always here to help. We provide a range of convenient services for cars and trucks, including brake inspections, suspension checks, wheel alignment, and free battery performance checks at any Blain's location. That's genuine value on automotive service from Blain's Farm and Fleet.